Shwmai, welcome to Llettytwppa. Have you ever considered what the meaning of the name Llettytwppa is? Well, there is a lot of history to it.
One explanation can be found in the place names of Ceredigion by Iwan Umfre. Let's take a closer look. Twppa is explained here as a surname, an epithet to an individual called Gruffydd ab Ieuan ab David Twppa, a vicar of Lampeter, 1468-1469, well over 500 years ago. There has also been other attempts to explain the name over the years, and who better to ask than the former owner, Dai Davies Llettytwppa.
That was I gather, that what they say, years ago, before they were weighing stuff as it not today, they used to measure it all. They used to have a tip, as my father, they used to call it mesin. And they used to borrow this from Llettytwppa to measure what they've grown, oats and barley and cut us on. And it would come after it was finished, it'd have to come back here they used to keep it.
There are also many interesting names to the fields at Llettytwppa. Let's listen to them with Dai.
O'r bache, chewch chi can hestraw, mae cae pant dweud, ond mae ca Peter Gwair. Lan y byd y trac, sy'n lan y byd y lle. Mae cae ffynon wrth yna. Stepwch chi un ôl wedyn, mae fron nad y fach, a pisyn bach a nad y ochr chawe. Stepo un lawr wedyn, chi yn fron nad y fawr. A wedyn cae nad y bral. Stepo nôl fel o'n un a bwys ca ffynon, neu flan i cae Peter Hywel, a ca Peter Mawr, ca Carelwyd. A chi stepo un ys draw yna llain Peter Gam, yn ôl fan hyn wein, a cae Peter Nos, a cae o'ch y draw yn wedi troi yn dda. Hwnnw ar y Llettytwppa wood, a nid ei troi yn ôl yn gan nawr. A fan hyn yw cae ar y chwarae, a stepo draw un yw fron nawt y banc. Stepo un draw wen a bryn nawt y bache, nawt y mart. A mae ca wen, mae sawl cornel yn y wel chi'n gweld, cae cornele. A mae un ca oedd ar da Llettytwppa wen, wel na enw sydd â fi nawr yw ca Tina, ond ar hen enw gle o ca Peter Siôn.